Hello, my potatoes. Welcome to a game called, uh, I Want a Lockpick. It seems cool. I love puzzle games, even though I can't solve most of the puzzles. Anyways, level 1, doors and keys. Welcome to a world of doors. Before you are, before, before you are, before you are three of them, as well as some keys. Picking up a key allows you to open the door of a matching color. Your goal in every puzzle is to reach the green goal point. Let's start with an easy one. Congratulations! Anyways, level 1, 2. Two of a key. Key of a kind. If you ever find yourself in an unsolvable position, I'm smart enough to figure this one out. Press Z to rewind your actions. Oh! Or press R to completely. You can also splash backplace. Great! Color search. You'll encounter all sorts of different key and door types. So in order to get that, I need that, and in order to get that, I need aha. There's a reason why they call me bad at video games. It's because I'm bad at all games, including platformers. Congratulations! Double door? Double door factorial. 1, 4, double door. Haha. So I need 2 of those, which will need. Aha. I see where your false premise is. Yep. Whoopsies. Aha! Aha! I'm a genius. More of a genius than a couple of people that I know. I don't know, actually. Level 1, 5. Tunnels. I love tunnels. So do you. Oh my Glorbus. So I need 2 white keys. Let's just start by picking up this key. There are sometimes moves that you can make that will open a door at no net expense. Identifying moves like that will be useful for later puzzles. So, I mean, spend that to get that. I'm thinking I go up here to get that. Go up here to get that, and then I go down here to get this. Which means I go up here to get this purplish black key. Which means I will go right here to get that, and then I will go right here, and then I will do this. That. I'm so cool. I'm cooler than all of you guys. This is the 3 choices. Level 1, 6. There's probably 3 or more choices. Okay. Uh, uh, uh. Let me just. Okay. I will. Huh. Huh. Oh my, there are 3 paths to the goal now. That's like 3 times as many ways you can mess things up. So which way is the correct one? I'm guessing.
There's
Up
not a
here
lot
is
of
gonna be the way.
there's not a
Never
lot of
mind,
talking in
actually.
this part.
Yeah,
Okay.
here. I can always do
Okay.
that.
Yep, you can. There's not a lot of talking in this part, so I'm gonna be talking through it. he's going down here to get the orange key and the blue key, which will that's gonna cost him nothing. That's gonna cost him nothing, and he's gonna go use that blue key. Okay. He's
I
gonna
am
get that blue key,
amazing at this
which
game.
will solve the puzzle. Okay,
Absolutely
bye.
brilliant. Level 17, escort. Sorry if I don't talk with this. Regarding your movement speed, you can hold shift to move faster on the ground and control to slow down, which is very helpful in cramped spaces so you don't run into a key or a door on accident. You can also press E to auto run, which switches the run and walk speeds. I don't want that. No. I want it to take as slow as possible. Huh. Well, I could go down here to get that, and then I could go up here to get that, which could just do that. And then I would go over here to get an orange key, which will do that. I need a purple and a pink key. Spending any pink keys just seems like a bad idea. Getting that orange key would be a disaster for me, so I will... instead use this purple to get a pink, and this pink... I'm kind of stuck now. Unless I go down here, which will just... I'll do that. Yeah, I'm definitely stuck now. Because there's nowhere I can go. Okay, so I will instead... Huh. I'm not smart at all. This looked a lot easier in the videos. So I need a purple and pink door. The only places where we can get pink keys are right here. There's nowhere we can get a purple key. So going in any of these doors will be bad. So cross that off the list. Going in that door will be a death sentence. And going in that door will be a death sentence. Because a purple key just doesn't exist on this map. Same thing goes. So don't go in any of the purple doors. That's what I missed. So the only place where I can go is one of those teal or white doors. Or not teal. Go in the white door. This one should be well, swell, and bell. I want to go down here to get a teal key. And the only place where I can spend a teal key is this orange room. And the only place where I can spend an orange key is either right here, right here, or right here. If I get this white key, then I won't be able to do anything with it. These both seem good to have, so I will instead opt out for these two keys. And so I have one orange key, which I can spend basically anywhere that has an orange door, which means I will spend it at this white door. And this white door holds a teal key, so I can go up to this teal door and solve the puzzle. I am so cool, guys. cooler than all of you. Haha. Congratulations. Wow, this is going to be a long haul if this keeps happening. More than 3 choices. Well, la-di-la-di-da. Oh my glob. Okay, if I go up here, I will doom myself. So I have to go down here. This is the only way. And because of that, I will have to go up here. This is the only way. Now, do I go up here or down here? If I go down here, then I will get the pink key and then I will doom myself. So, I will go up here. Yep. Here to collect the white key. Now, where do I go? Do I get the white key? Or do I get the cyan key? Well, considering I only have one, that would be dooming myself. So, I will get this one, which will hopefully have rust. Okay. Ah! Now, this one cyan key, I have nothing to do with this, so I will do this. I will unlock purple. Now, where do I go from here? I don't know, actually. Because up here I will get a purple key, which then I could spend anywhere from here to here. And if I get this pink key, I will have nothing to do because that'll just doom myself. If I get this purple key and go up here, then I could get this orange key, which will get this orange key, which will get this one, and then I will. No, I'll doom myself that. I'll just I'll get this one, and then I'll get this one, and then I'll get this one. Whoopsies. This one, and then I will get this one, which will have. If I get this one, I'll doom myself, so that's not cool. If I get this one, I will doom myself. No, I won't actually. I won't doom myself if I get this one. Oh, I'm making progress. I'm making so much progress. I'm grassing my prog. I'm not progging my grass. So now if I do this one, I will have a white key, which I have to spend up here to get another. I will have to spend down here to get another white key, which I will have to get up here to get another white key, and then I will do this one, and I will get this one, which will I will solve the puzzle. I'm lockpicking, dude. I'm lockpicking, guys. I'm lockpicking. Congratulations. You should spread that congratulations on me and I don't know. Flower. You know what? I'm not stupid. I can do all of this. I can do all of this. Because I'm cool like that. Oh my god. Where do I even start? Well, I know from experience that I should look at the number of keys. I can't go down this path, so I will have to go down this path to get this door. Because that's just the thing of it. If I went down this path, then I wouldn't have enough for that. There's white and then there's two. Huh. I don't know what the logic for this one is. Oh, so this one has to be purple. Huh. There's a couple where there has to be all white. Huh. Let me. How do I spend 5 on this level? Huh. How do I spend 3 on this level? I will. 1, 2, 3. So I will have to go up here. Careful. Okay. Now how do I spend 1 extra? Now how do I spend singular purple key? Or how do I spend 4 green keys? 4 green keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't go down there, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I will have to go all the way down for the greens on this one. I may have doomed myself. I've 100% doomed myself, actually. No, wait, no, 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 no. Maybe. I just wasn't thinking ahead in the future. And la-di-la-di-da. I had false thinking, yet I got to the best result. Yeah, I'm a totally another genius. Cleared 999 or 9 out of 9. Oh, pentacolor pattern. Oh, I can do this. I can do this. Oh,
He could not, in fact, do this on the very first
so I
shot.
need K. I will get this one. I will open to this one. Get this key. I will get this key. Get that key. Yep, yep. I will get this one. And get this one. Uh-huh, uh-huh. And then I will get this one. Get that key. And then I will get this key. Which will do that. And then I will do this and that and this. So I will go down here, get these 2 keys. I will go up here. And then I will get this key. And this key. I will get that key. And then I will get this cyan key. Oh. And then I will spend this one to get that one. I will do this one to get that one. You see where I'm going with this? I will get this cyan key and then cyan door, and then I will get this cyan door to get this white key, which will do this one to get that one, and I will spend this green one and the green one and then this one to unlock the door. I am a genius. I am a genius. Better genius than you, at least, I think. No, I don't want this. 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 Exit level. I'm smart enough. Level 1-8. Yeah, greater than 1. Oh, you're doing well since you understood the basics of keys and doors now. Let's... Oh. Okay. 2 of these means that I can unlock the
Anyway,
3 or the 2.
anyways, I'm back again. He's not talking apparently because this is apparently the hardest level he's come across. Just bear with me. How was your day? How's your wife? How's your husband? Whatever you have. How's your dog? Oh, okay. I can't hear you. I'm on a screen.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's cool.
Greater than 1. Uh-huh. Count the locks. Yep, I'm gonna count them all right. What do you mean count the locks, though? Oh. This is alarming. Um, it's time to play everyone's favorite game, Count the Locks. Is it simple as it sounds? Although, if you don't want to play the game, you should enable the simple locks option to turn everything into numbers. You know what? Okay. 2, 3, 2. 7. This one is 3, 2, 3. That is... I should get here. Uh-huh. 1, 1, 6, 1. 7, 8, 9. I am great at maths, actually. I should be doing... I, c- I love... I am a big geek about this. I love doing maths. Big geek. I'm geeking out. Oh my glob. Here's a good puzzle to send you off after your stay in Doorhaven. The goal is simple. Bring 6 white keys to the door. How you manage to do that is for you to figure out. Good luck. So, I will have to spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, fortunately, I don't have to do this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. That already is too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. La-di-la-di-da. Can only go in 1, 2, that one. Can't go in this door, so this door is crossed out forever. because it's physically unable to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now that that is crossed off, once 16, I should be with these doors because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Assuming you want us to do that, then I guess I will. 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You get more bang for your buck this way. I don't know. I'll just do what works. This one. And this one. Ah. So now there's only 4 and 2. I know where I'm going next. I'm going up here. That is 4. I have only 2 and 4. Oh. Ow. I can't believe how surprisingly easy that was. I am a bloody genius. Let's just go into the... Well, I mean... the main hub first. Welp. I guess that's it, my potatoes, my potatoes. That was, the first world of I Want a Lockpick. It's a free game on itch.io. And it was goodbye!